Hello Repels players, today I will show you guys how to use and explain a certain stuff that you guys need to know. First of all, you guys start off with, many players have been asking me, how do I get helmet, how do I use a Naslet scroll, how do I get a +1 skill on a helmet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First of all, as you can see here, I've got Naslet helmets. Now, to get Naslet helmet, boots, gloves and armor into bags. Now to obtain it, you go to Tomb of Bahamut, or you guys go to Coin Exchanger and you buy scrolls there, or you get scrolls from leveling up, depending on how you guys want to obtain it. First of all, I'll show you guys now how to get a helmet, but first let me open a few helmets and I'll show you guys a few stuff. So now, first of all, your helmet is undefined. Now you use the Naslet scroll. Note that if you enchant it, each helmet's got a different socket. Like this helmet's got a 2 socket. The most socket that you can get out of a helmet is a 4 socket. Now a 4 socket, there you can see I've got a 3 socket. To obtaining a 4 socket, you need to open at least a lot of helmets to obtain a 4 socket if you're lucky. If you're not lucky, you will struggle to obtain it, and then from there it's up to you. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how to get a +1 skill on a helmet. So yeah, there it is. Alright, as you guys can see, my helmet is empty. There's no +1 on it, nothing. So I'll show you guys now. You get Crystal of Awakening helmet. Now Crystal of Awakening helmet, you receive it from leveling up. The more you level, the more you obtain Crystal of Awakening helmet. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. First of all, you click on it, let it awaken. This you don't care about. You want a +1 skill underneath the red, underneath your purple stats. So as you can see there, I've got skills 0. So now you have to click on Crystal of Awakening until you get a 1. So let's try and do it. Let's see how long it's gonna take. A few times it's fast to get one, another time it's not fast to get one. Depending on your class, some classes you need to use. As you can see there, I've got a 1. So as you can see there, my purple stats, I've got to increase the level of your Janko Wound skill by +1. So depending on your classes, you need a +1 skill on any single on every single class that you're playing on. All classes are different, but now I'm just telling you guys and explain to you guys how to get a +1 skill on a helmet. It's very simple. The only thing that you need to do is you need to reawaken and use the crystals. Don't Your blue stats you don't need to worry about, but you need at least a helmet. You get Final Awakening. Now Final Awakening, you need at least Final Awakening Stone. Final Awakening Stone costs 20 bill at Black Market. Some of you guys know about it, some of you guys don't know about it. Note that your armor gears needs to be +25 to get the full capacity of your gears. As you can see there, I've got a different +1 skill helmet. You can re-roll it if you want to. If you're not satisfied with the +1 skill, you can re-roll it and you will obtain a new skill. Now that is how you guys get a +1 skill on a helmet. Now I'll show you guys a different method on making gears. As you can see here, I've got a Naslet armor. Naslet armor can do both. You can use either the normal beatboxes that you farm in Mysterious World. As you can see there, my armor is undefined. I use it, I enchant it, and it gives me a +1 armor, a +1 skill on the armor. So now if you get a beatbox for the class that you really want to, same method like you did now, you use it, you get a +1, and as you can see there, you've got a +1 on your gear. Some players like to open a lot of gears to get the perfect gear that I want. Note that armor, you can get a 4-slot armor that can give you good amount of stats. You get a 4-slot boots, and you get a 3-slot, or actually some players told me they can actually get a 4-slot gloves as well, depending on how long you farm and how is your luck. So that is the gears that you guys need to know. Now I'll show you guys the weapons. Now the weapons you can get by Trainees Island. As you can see, you get it in a box. Now every box got a different amount of name depending on the weapon that you need. As you can see there, it's a level 200 weapon, and I would suggest level 200 weapon is the best. Now as you can see there, some weapons require some scrolls. Now make sure you've got Scroll of Spirit. Scroll of Spirit is the scroll that you guys need to enchant the weapon. Now if you guys noticed, you need to open at least a lot of weapons to be able to get the good weapon that you guys need. So for me, I'm just explaining you guys how to use to undefine a weapon. For me, it's very simple. That is the methods like you guys need to know. As you can see here, I've got a spear here. It's not actually the stats that you guys want or what you guys don't need, so you keep on opening it depending on what you want. Now the last thing I'm going to show you guys today, and what a lot of people have been asking me about. So from here on, I'll show you guys, I'll put videos on and I'll tell you guys how you guys need to know about the server, and I'll explain how it goes from there. So now the last thing I'll show you guys today is how to make maxed out soul stones. Soul stones can be formed from 3 different places, and normally most of the players knows exactly where it is, but later on I'll show you guys. If you guys are asking me where it is, I'll show you guys where it is. But for now, I'm gonna tell you guys how to get a maxed out soul stone. Note, it is not very easy, but I'll show you guys still how to get it. First of all, you need 2 of the same stone of greatest, whatever you guys want, dexterity, vitality, depending on whatever you want. First of all, you need 2 of the same of the soul stones. Then you need mithril ore. Note, mithril ore, each mithril ore that you guys are using, it keeps on climbing. As you can see, the enchant is completed, it didn't fail. Note, you've got a little bit of a stronger dexterity stone there since the other one. So now I need to do one more. Let's see if my luck is good. I'm gonna try it one more time to get good one. As you can see, I've got 2 of those. Now it needs to be 2 of the same, even though if you upgrade it to get it on max level. Now max level on crit stones is 14.5. On stones like dexterity, strength, vitality and all the rest, the max is plus 73. Note, each and every upgrade you do, you need to upgrade, use bigger amounts of mithril ore. And as you guys see there, I've got a stronger one, and that's a plus 69. Now plus 69, I need to make another plus 69 to be able to make it a plus 71. Now from plus 69, from 2 of them, you will need to be using 150 mithril ore. There, the last one that you're gonna need at least 200 for the max out. 200 mithril ore. you start with 50 mithril ore, then you start, middle one is 100 mithril ore like I showed you guys. Then after this upgrade, you use 150. Then after 150 upgrade, you use 200 mithril ore. Note that you need 2 of the same stones to be able to farm it, and I can tell you guys now, it is not 100% successful. I was just lucky on creating an example for you guys. I'll try and show you guys so to see if this one fails, so I can give you guys an explanation. As you can see there, now it failed, so I don't have an add-on soulstone. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's not hard. Now I will show you guys the awakenings on a weapon. As you can see here, a two-handed weapon can maybe get stronger weapons, or a one-handed weapon can get you get 2 sockets. This is a two-handed weapon. As you can see, it takes both slots. A one-handed weapon only takes 1 slot, but it uses 2 sockets instead of 4 sockets. But you can use then a shield in a one-handed, so it equals to a two-handed as well. Now I'm going to show you guys how to awaken your weapon. As you can see here, there's awakening on my weapon. You need to re-roll it until you get the amount that you guys are needed. So in order for this, I can tell you guys, you need to upgrade it, awaken it the whole time just to get a good amount of CP. So that's it guys, and hopefully I'll post more videos and explain to you guys how a few stuff is working, and I'll look into it on what you guys are struggling about, and from there I'll post videos while I'm going. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys shortly.